Looking to keep your yard lush and your chores hassle-free? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best garden hoses makes all the difference. In this video, we'll explore top-rated options designed for durability, flexibility, and convenience to handle every outdoor watering task. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Pocket Hose Copper. The Pocket Hose Copper is an impressive innovation in the world of garden hoses, engineered with features that prioritize durability, convenience, and safety. What makes this hose a standout is its clever pocket pivot technology, which allows the connection point to swivel a full 180 degrees to 360 degrees. This thoughtful design minimizes stress on the hose at the spigot, reducing the risk of creases, tangles, and frustrating water flow interruptions. It's a small but meaningful upgrade that transforms the experience of garden maintenance and outdoor cleaning tasks. Durability is at the heart of the Pocket Hose Copper's design. Encased in a proprietary force field jacket, this hose boasts a construction 3 times tougher than previous models. It resists wear, abrasions, and punctures, making it an ideal choice for demanding garden environments. Inside, the advanced Tri-Tex tubing features 3 layers of high-strength latex, providing reliable, consistent water flow while guarding against leaks and bursts even under high-pressure conditions. Adding to its performance are the state-of-the-art APT connectors, crafted using advanced polymer technology. These connectors offer a secure, leak-free connection, eliminating common issues like drips and water wastage. One of the hose's most noteworthy qualities is its infusion of real copper and lead-free materials, making it a safe choice for watering edible plants, providing drinking water for pets, or filling outdoor pools. Another user-friendly feature is its advanced kink-proof construction. No more stopping to untangle a knotted hose, this model ensures uninterrupted water flow for a hassle-free, efficient watering experience. Number 2. Titan Garden Hose 65FT. The Titan Garden Hose 65FT is a thoughtfully designed option for anyone who values lightweight convenience without sacrificing durability. What sets this hose apart from the start is its ultra-lightweight 3-layer construction, which makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around the yard, garden, or driveway. Unlike many bulky hoses that become a chore to drag across the lawn, the Titan ultra-light garden hose feels practically feather-light in your hand. This makes it an excellent choice for users of all ages and strengths, especially those who prefer not to wrestle with a heavy hose after a long day of yard work. One of the standout features of this hose is its smart diameter technology. While it doesn't expand and retract like some fabric hoses, it cleverly adjusts its internal diameter based on the water pressure. This means you get a consistent, efficient water flow when in use and a more compact, easy-to-handle profile when the water is off. The consistency of water flow is a huge plus for people who get frustrated with expandable hoses that tend to shrink or balloon unpredictably. Whether you're washing your car, watering your flower beds, or cleaning off patio furniture, the Titan hose delivers steady pressure every time. Durability is another area where this hose shines. Thanks to its 3-layer construction and corrosion-resistant pure brass connectors, it offers reliable performance even under tough conditions. It holds up well against the wear and tear of daily use and fluctuating weather, which is crucial for anyone looking for a hose that doesn't crack, split, or degrade over time. Additionally, the kink-free design ensures that you won't have to stop mid-task to untangle the hose, a small but significant convenience. Compatible with standard 3/4 GHT fittings, it pairs effortlessly with a wide range of faucets, nozzles, and watering accessories. Its combination of ultra-lightweight, kink-free flexibility, and dependable strength makes the Titan Garden Hose 65FT a practical and worthwhile addition to any home or garden toolkit. It's a perfect solution for homeowners, gardeners, RV owners, and boaters alike who need reliable water flow without the hassle. Number 3. Lipoliftco 100FT Hose. The Lipoliftco 100FT hose is a sturdy, no-nonsense garden hose built for efficiency and longevity. Unlike many expandable hoses, this one adopts a non-expanding design, maintaining a steady 100-foot length that ensures consistent water pressure and reliable performance no matter the conditions. Its standout feature is a 3-layered thickened material structure. The outer layer is crafted from high-density polyester for abrasion resistance, while the middle layer is a PU material that effectively prevents winding and twisting. The innermost layer is an explosion-proof PVC layer designed to handle high pressure without bursting. One of the most practical aspects of the Lipoliftco hose is its weight. At just 7.05 pounds for a 100-foot length, it's significantly lighter than most traditional hoses, which often weigh in around 18 pounds. This lighter design makes it easy to carry, maneuver around the yard, and store without strain, especially for older users or those with limited mobility. Its compact nature ensures hassle-free roll-up and storage when not in use. The hose is further reinforced by solid metal connectors at both ends, which are far more durable than plastic fittings and less prone to cracking or breaking. Included are 3 spare high-strength leak-proof washers to ensure a secure, watertight seal at all times. Another convenient feature is the connector design, which allows you to easily link multiple hoses together for larger areas. Number 4. Kiuluta Water Hose. The Kiuluta water hose is a high-performance option for anyone who needs a reliable, durable, and kink-resistant garden hose that stands up to tough conditions. Made from commercial-grade stainless steel and reinforced with a durable PVC core, this hose offers superior protection against punctures, sharp objects, and surface friction. Whether you're pulling it through dense shrubbery or around sharp corners, it maintains its integrity without damage. Corrosion and rust resistance are essential for outdoor tools, and this hose delivers. It resists weather-related wear, ensuring it won't dry out under intense sun or crack in freezing temperatures. The strong PVC inner core provides high strength and excellent pressure resistance, while the aluminum pressure-resistant fittings at both ends offer added durability and stability during use. The Kiuluta water hose comes equipped with a versatile metal nozzle made of zinc alloy and ABS plastic. Number 5. Kiuluta Nozzles Hose Pipe. The Kiuluta Nozzles hose pipe offers a premium watering experience, combining advanced materials with thoughtful design. Unlike many expanding hoses prone to ruptures, this model uses a non-expandable, stable design for consistent water flow. It features an advanced 5-layer inner core structure, giving it exceptional durability and resistance to tearing, shrinking, or bursting. The hose performs well in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable for year-round use in varied climates. Equipped with solid 3/4-inch American Standard brass connectors, this hose resolves the all-too-common problem of leaky or cracking plastic fittings. The corrosion-resistant brass connectors, paired with a rubber gasket, create a tight, reliable seal. The hose's exterior is wrapped in a high-strength polyester fabric covering, further protecting it from punctures and abrasions while enhancing flexibility.